Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. I have posted the first video on here, but due to some technical problems, this video is now in two parts. This is the second part. So, and just in case you are watching this one and you haven't watched the first one, I would like to thank Cool Rhino, Jamie Smith and Geek Robot for your kind comments on my previous videos. I am currently building the LEGO City Space set 60428, the Space Construction Mech, which is this one here. In the last part of the video, I built the drone he has, the little drilling robot he has, and the mech operator, who is really good. I will be doing a review video as well, so if you wish to see a bit more. So that is his drilling robot. That is quite a nice little build, that really. It does look really good for what it is, so put that there. We'll get on with the rest of the mech now. I know we're doing the bit with the crystals first by the looks of it. So we start off with a light green 3x3 triangular plate, which is this one here. Then we have a red 1 brick, a green 2x2 roofing piece, another red 2 brick. They go on like that. And then there's I think it's red, a red 2x2 plate with a stud in the middle. That goes on there like so. They have one of these clear blue crystals. Then you have another red 2x1 brick, which goes on top there, and another blue crystal goes on top there. So that's another bit of crystal form. It's got a very like Space Miners type vibe this set has. So put that over there. Now we do start building the mech. And we start off with a black 6x2 base plate. Next we have a white 2x1 base plate with a female connector, point on the longer side. It goes on there like that. There's a grey 3x2 base plate, I'm going to call these purple 2x1 plates, and two green 2x1 plates with a male ball joint on the longer side. These all go on like so. Now the black 6x2 base plate goes on top of them. Two cream one square studs with a female connector point on one side. Can't we say it's a longer or shorter side because they're exactly the same size. Then there's a black 2x1 plate with a male connector port on it. They go on there like so. And then there's a purple 4x2 plate goes on the top there like so. Got two gold, like arm type pieces. Two of these in gold. It does work. This gold colour, this gold colour they do is really good in Lego. I do think it is probably my favourite colour of bricks, to be honest with you. Next we have two 2x2 white roofing pieces, which are these ones here. Then we have two black 2x2x1 plates with the curved edges. So these go together like so, and I've done that twice. We have four flat round blue clear studs which go on the top. These go on like so. So I've done that twice, as you can see. And we flip this over. And then we have a black 2x2 base plate with a Technic connector port coming in, a Technic connector round connector piece moulded onto the bottom, and have a grey wheel piece which goes on the back here. Then we should have another black 2x2 plate with a Technic round connector moulded onto the back. That goes on there, like they go on the back like that. All that, just so you can see. Now we've got a Technic right-angled connector piece. So you've got a pole there and holes on those sides there. Then we should have he says optimistically, we should have two Technic round half studs, which are these ones here. Can't see the other one at the moment, so I'm just hoping it's my eyesight and not sort of the fact it's not here. If not, I'm going to have to borrow one from the droid if I'm not careful. So I'll just have a quick look now. So that goes in there. It looks like I can't see that piece here at all, unfortunately, so we are missing I also have one of these mini Technic connectors as well. So it looks like we're going to be needed. So Check this is not loose in the bag or in the box or fallen down. Doesn't look like it, no. So I can borrow one of these Technic half connectors from on here, take the one out of the middle, covers half the problem. Turn this all over just to see if I'm... Oh no, they are all here. They've been put in together, so it's okay. It's okay. So there we go. We found them. I thought those bits looked a bit funny, so there we go. That bit goes on the back there like so. Now we do the next bit of the mech. So this is what we got for the mech so far. So we've got one of these black 2x2 base plates with two double cheese pieces moulded onto it, upside down double cheese pieces. Then we should have two green 2x2 base plates with male ball joints on the longer side. They go on there like so, if it all stays together. Then we have a purple 2x2 base plate with two bits moulded onto the side, each end. That goes on there like so. Then you have a red 2x2 plate with a female connector port on it, and a black 3x2 base plate goes on there like so. Now you've got a grey 3x2 base plate goes on top of that, and a green double cheese piece, which is one of these, goes on the bottom there like so, and this bit attaches on here like that. Next we make the what will be the roll bar for the mech, the roll cage for the mech. So we start off with a set of Lego handlebars. These are cool. Should have a couple of black lights. Are they lights? Yeah, they are. They're not quite lightsaber pieces, but they are very similar. I'm not sure what these pieces actually are, but they're not quite lightsaber pieces, so they go on like that. Then you've got another set of Lego handlebars which goes on there like so. Goes on there like that, so that bit will move on there, so to keep the operator safe. And then this bit goes like that, so he can stand in there like that. Now we make the first set of legs, so that's the bit that goes in there. We'll sit him in there. He actually sits in there, which is quite nice. we'll sit him in there. Now we make the legs. It starts off with one of these black 2x2 base plates with a 2x1 base plate moulded onto it. See if this is a ×2 instruction, because I don't want to. No, this is a left and right instruction, so I'm going to do it properly. Now we have a white 2x2x2, 2x1 brick with the vented sides going horizontally and vertically. It's in white, so you can't really see it. So you have the horizontal lines going across there like so. Then you have a purple 2x1 base plate goes on there. I have a grey 2x1 base plate with a female ball joint on the end there, goes on there. Next you have a white 2x2 roofing piece and a orange half circle 2x2 half circle, or 2x1 half circle as it could be called, like that. And you put another one of the stripy stickers on it on that piece here. Goes on there like that. And you flip this bit over like that. Then you've got a black 2x2 upside down roofing piece. Goes on there. And then a purple 2x2 metal bar piece. I think these pieces are going to be the same, so I'm going to repeat the instructions. So the feet looks like they are the same. No, I will go through the instruction properly, I think, because it's going to get more confusing. So next we've got a black 3x2 base plate, a grey 2x1 base plate with a female ball joint on the longer side, a black 2x1 base plate with a female connector point on the shorter side, and a green 2x1 base plate with a male ball joint on the longer side. So it looks like that. And then a black 3x2 base plate goes on top with a green 2x2 round plate goes on there, and a green one piece with a male connector bar on the top. And that goes on there like that. And that connects on there like that. So put that over here like this for the time being. Now we do the same again, but it will be same but different just for the leg piece. So why they haven't done the feet piece exactly the same, I'm not sure, but I'm sure there's good reasoning for it. So we start off with the black 2x2 base plate with the 2x1 moulded onto it. Then the white 2x1 brick with the horizontal and vertical lines on the sides, with the ones going across on the back. The purple 2x1 base plates, the grey 2x1 base plate with the female ball joints, like so. And you've got the white 2x2 roofing brick and the 2x1 half circle plate goes on there. Then we put the sticker on. That goes on there like so. And you flip that down, then you've got a black 2x2 upside down roofing piece goes on like that. And you've got the purple metal bar piece, 2x1 metal bar piece goes on there. Can't call it a gold bar because it's not gold. Next you've got a black 3x2 base plate, a green 2x1 base plate with a male ball joint on, a black 2x1 base plate with a female connector port on the shorter side, and a grey 2x1 base plate with a female ball joint connector point on, so opposite way round this time. Then a black 3x2 base plate, a green 2x2 round plate, and then a green one plate with a male connector bar on the bottom there, like so. Attach that on there, attach this onto here, and our mech has legs. Does look quite good so far. Now we've got to do the arms. They start off as a grey 3x2 base plate, a grey 2x1 base plate with a female ball joint on, two grey 2x2 base plates were half studded and half with a Technic connector hole on them. They go on there like that, and then the 2x2 printed tile with the Lego Space logo on. Really nice, really, really nice. Goes on like that. Now you make some sort of tool for it, which goes in that on the arm of this one. So I'm not sure that's. I think that's meant to be like a hammer or something. So starts off with a Technic 6-axle. It's called a 6-axle because it's 6 studs long. A white 2x2 round piece that goes it starts to go off into a cone. That goes through there like so. And then there's a green Technic connector piece for the axles, and a red 2-axle goes on there like so. And that arm goes on there like that. So it looks like it pumps like that. So Got a lot of potential this this particular build, to be honest with you. My imagination is probably going wild on this at the moment. So next we go a grey 2x2 plate with a 2x1 plate moulded onto it again, and then you have a grey 2x1 brick with a Technic cross connector on it, so like that. And then a purple 2x1 base plate, then a purple 2x2 curved roofing piece goes on top, like so. And then we put a sticker on the front there. Fortunately, all the stickers are the same, so then you've got two of these cheese pieces with a 1 square stud moulded onto them. That goes on like that, so it's like a mining hammer. That is actually quite cool, actually. Has a lot of potential, that. Now we make the other arm. That starts off again as a grey 3x2 base plate, a grey 2x1 base plate with a female ball joint on it, 2 grey 2x1 plates, half studded and half with a Technic round connector on it. Then we got a white 2x2 tile with the Space logo printed onto it. Seriously nice. They might be quite valuable in the future, so worth buying the set just for them, I would say. Well, I would anyway, but. Next we make what looks like the arm. So that starts off as so I have a blue Technic half round, half cross connector, a green Technic cross connection point, a red 2 axle goes in the end there, and a grey 2x1 brick with a Technic cross connector hole and goes in there. And that goes on there like so. A grey 2x2 round base plate goes on there. Another one of these green, they're like 2 green 2x2 plates, and they got like 2 round connection points on there. They have used these before, and they are quite good little bricks as well. And there we have a red round, or orange it could be. Let's have a look. We'll go with orange on that. Orange 2x2 round plate with a hole in the middle. Goes on top there like so. You've got 2 of these robot arm pieces for grabbing. As mechs go, this does look quite realistic, to be honest with you. We've got quite a few interesting spare pieces as well, which is good. Oh no, we haven't. We have 2 power units for this thing, which are these blue, opaque blue round bricks and the and a battery indicator on there, which is rather good actually, to be honest with you. I was hoping they weren't spare because it would just be a bit of a shame, really, it'd be a bit of a waste of them. Very nice to have them, but these bits go on here, so the mech has its power units there. They have actually done, Lego put a lot of thought into this, and it does look really good. Now this should be our Space Mech complete. We've got a few few little spare bits in there, nothing amazingly interesting, but when you are building this and you think you're missing parts, do actually check, because some of these parts go in together like that and they look different. Being an expert, I would consider myself to be a builder with a fair bit of experience. I have experienced Lego, and I thought I don't recognise that, but when it's a new build, you've got to be a bit on the more cautious side. So there we go. So you've got a nice little mech here. You've got a really nice mech here. The arms move on it, the legs move on it. I don't know how it's for posability. It's got posability. It can do like your martial arts, so you can have it go up against your have it going up against the other mechs. But overall, it is a good little mech. I think they could have probably made it slightly bigger by using the plastic legs they use on the 4+ sets as well, because I think that would work as well if you get sorry about it, if you get those on in the right colour. It's got like a little pumping hammer action there. It looks like a mech. It hasn't got any controls on it, which is the one thing it probably does fall back on. And that bit there is going to damage that design on there as well, which I don't really like, to be honest with you. But I think if you're going to, as a Lego space fan, I do quite like the build. Value for money wise, I would say it's very good, but if they ever release a 4+ version of it, I'd buy that as well, with the legs and the arms, with the legs and the arms. But they have done a good job on this. The little like drone thing here, the little driller robot here, is really good. It's just a Technic brick with some little bits on there. It does. I do quite like it. It does. It works quite well for what it is. It's very Space Miner-esque, but I wasn't really into the Space Miner stuff. I liked it, but I could never really justify buying it, unfortunately, due to costs when I was younger. So you see, you've got some little crystals there for them to mine that can pick up. It's got all your standard Lego mech functions. It does look good. Value for money wise, it is very good. And if you're just a Lego space fan like I am, this is a really nice build, and it does very much remind you of what they used to make. But I still think a 4+ set with the legs on at £13 would sell just as well, to be honest with you. I think, and I probably would like to see that. So, but that's just a personal preference. So I do like the fact that you can build the legs, and the stickers make it as well. The figure is really nice as well. So it is quite a nice little set. It's got a little bit on the back there, so you could possibly, if you work out how you want to do your jetpack, you could put that on there as well. That would be quite cool. Or jetpack, air tank, whatever you want to put on the back there. It's got some really. The figure is quite nice, really, though. I do quite like this set. And the other thing with this set, it is actually affordable as well. A lot of the other sets, the bigger sets, really do. You probably would have to save up. Back in the day, I would have to save a lot of pocket money to get them. But this set here is really good, and I can't really fault it. It's like this is £9 well spent, in my opinion. I did pick this up in the Lego shop a couple of weeks ago, so it was kind of one of those sets I really wanted to look at, and I'm quite impressed with these figures. I do like the figures. The figures are good. The builds are good as well. They have got the Lego Space vibe down here. Really, it works really well. I will be on the lookout for a few more of these sets now, definitely, because the figures are good, the build is good, and I do want the Lego Space bricks as well. So overall, very happy with that. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I am on YouTube, Instagram, and Threads. If you like a shout out on one of my videos, all you have to do is leave a kind or constructive comment on one of my videos, and I will actually give you a shout out. By the way, like I said before, I'm on YouTube, Threads, and Instagram. If you wish to follow me, follows on YouTube are generally more valuable to the channel, but any support is always appreciated. So again, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, keep building, and hope to see you on upcoming